Hi, it's Bill the Handyman. Today we're looking at a Whirlpool CoinOp gas dryer. And so basically on these, in order to pop the top up, there's normally a shaft in here with a bolt on it, and you can see it here. That bolt, that's normally a 1/2-inch bolt. You need a long socket to pull that off. Once you've opened up the coin box or the timer lid. And so what this dryer was doing is it would fire, but it wouldn't completely light up. So basically the igniter would ignite. The igniter would ignite, come on for like a minute and then shut off, but there was no flame. So basically what I did was check these coils. Basically these coils should have continuity in them. And so usually set your meter on continuity. You don't have to have a clamp meter, but basically if you run your terminals, you check your terminals here, and here, you should have continuity, basically. So this one's actually showing about 1281, and on this one here, normally the inner coil goes out on this. So here we have 574 to have continuity on the outer coils, but then on the inside one we have no continuity. My meter's got a little moisture in it, but basically we have no continuity on the inner one. And that's how you tell if your coils are bad. It's very seldom you have a problem with your motor switch, but on some of the other models you may have a motor switch problem. So you always want to make sure your gas is turned on, and as well in the back where the valve is, the main valve. And so let's take a look at the new one. This is a new coil here. And so basically we go across here on the two outer ones, we see we have continuity basically. 569 we have. And then on the inner coil we have $13.70. About $13.70. So we have continuity between the outer terminals and the inside terminals. So basically, if you have any opens on this coil, it's bad. And so that's, again, typically the inner coil and the outside one will go bad. So this is a little tedious with one hand. But yeah, we have continuity between all terminals on that. And then I wanted to show you a little trick I found, and I use this BioLube. It's basically soybean oil. It's totally biodegradable, and I usually spray it on some of these like felt parts here and petroleum, and then maybe along here just a little bit. And then I always lube the rollers. I like to use Tri-Flow. Sometimes I'll put a drop of oil here if I can tilt the machine back, and a drop of oil there, a couple drops on the shaft. Those are factory lube bushings. Theoretically they shouldn't have to be lubed, but I put lube on them and made them last a little bit longer. And I've had some motors that wouldn't come on at all, and I lubed that bushing there, and it comes back to life for a little while. So, and then how this thing works basically is, this is a flame sensor, and basically there should be continuity on these two lines here. If there's no continuity on these two lines here, then you have a bad flame sensor. Once the igniter lights, and it will tell the flame sensor to open up. Once it opens up, it'll set off a sort of a solenoid that opens up the gas valves. And so I also have a course on how to make money in the appliance repair business. If you're interested, you can send me a note or contact me, 707-445-1591. And the course includes a year of coaching and a link to over 100 repair videos. And so, if you're interested, we could get you set up and making a little dough in the repair business. And so, also have a website. It's called ApplianceWorks.webs.com. And if you're interested in that the coaching course, basically it's a business coaching course. And if you're interested in that course, it's only $49.95. I only take 2 clients per year. And so it's a kind of a limited offer. And if you're interested in that course, just send $49.95 to Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California 95502. If you need service, you can contact me at ApplianceWorks@yahoo.com or call 707-445-1591. Okay, so this one's all fixed and ready to roll. Basically, I've lubed all the rollers as well as the idler. And this puppy's going back together and back on the road again. And so thanks for watching. And so that's your commercial tip for today.